Hello guys, welcome to Freaky Fantush. I am Patrakar Pancholi. You are watching Freaky Fantush. Today I am going to review this Layla Everlasting trailer. But before this, I do have some questions in my mind. First question, why there are dozens of apples shown in this trailer? Second question, why Adam is so romantic in an old age? Third question, how Layla takes care of her husband Adam? And the last question is, what Nargis finds in an old guy so-called Adam for love and romance. Now let's begin the review. Layla Everlasting web series is based on a married couple. Layla and Adam have had a happy married life for years. However, after a while, their marriage becomes a dead end. The excitement in their marriage is now gone, and Adam falls in a love that causes his heart to beat again. Adam, who falls in love with the woman named Nargis, who comes across this period, cannot think of anyone other than Nargis. However, Nargis, who took the mind of Adam, has no intention of moving to another life from the one man world he founded.
Adem? Leyla, sen benim boşanmamı istiyorsun değil mi?
One marriage, two loves, three troubles, nine lives Layla. Adam decided to end his 20 years marriage with Layla for his gorgeous mistress Nargis. It seems that it is nearly impossible to get rid of Layla naturally, and if he doesn't find a solution, his forbidden love Nargis will slip through his fingers very soon. And besides his love life, Adam has to deal with Mr. Madhum,
Sen boşanmak istiyor musun hala?
who is after Adam's antique handwritten manuscript and his jealous lawyer. What happens with these relations? Let's see this web series for more updates. Hope you would love this trailer review. Please like and subscribe Freaky Fantush for more updates. Thanks for watching.